Jeneb, where were you going?
Trevs, look at the new houses. What am I saying?
Why you want to go to Trevs?
You want to get some puppets?
Huh? What siya?
You want to get some puppets, huh?
Naray puppets dito.
Yeah. I guess. And also, I love going to Trevs. Here's Trevs. Yeah, that is not Trevs. Look at my face. Wow. And what's the puppet shop? If I don't like the
Trevs.
school uniform.
Yeah, nag-say.
Am I going to credit? Okay. I'm going to yeah. I put in like a plus of climb up to me.
We're here.
Aren't we here? What?
Yes.
I'm here. This is Salvatore. Mommy.
Welcome, yes.
Well, I can get a notebook.
Go.
Oh, I've never seen you so long.
Dali naman natin.
I want toys.
Here, this way.
I'm getting pocket.
Nagmahal ko sila mga ano to.
I'm not getting pocket.
We're here at Trevs already.
Let's just go find some toys. I'm not finding any toys. We have one of those again. There's no pocket. Wow. Oh, there's like noodles from like. They're marbles. I love marbles. I feel like one of these before. I feel one of these are reception. Those fruit things. They feel so warm.
Wala siguro yung puppet. Dari ate.
You're not there.
Marag wala man yata dari siya.
There's only marbles. This.
Snake.
That wasn't real.
It's not real siya. Dami, that's it ate.
It's like a super. It's nice. May, this is Fidget toy. It's not. I'm looking for something. Mommy, this is what one of my class likes. This is one of my class likes.
Yeah.
Horses. Her name is Ashley.
Ano mo yung horse there sa inyong school?
What's this?
Wow.
What is this? Is that the thingy? What's that? Oh, it's a thingy. What did I just saw? What did I just saw, Mommy?
Ayan.
That's puppy. That's my puppy. I'm getting puppy. I'm getting a Rubik's Cube. It's so tiny.
Wala na yung mga siyang
I'm getting two puppets. I like this pocket. Can I get these? Can I get these? Can I get one more?
Ito na.
The best day ever.
Ito na yung mga siyang pink siya.
I want to get one more. I love those.
Ito na.
I love these like those things. Those
Ito,
things. It's like you push them. Like they're the best. I can't believe it. They have puppets.
Ikaw siya. Kung sa'yo mga color siyang kana? Light pink?
I'm getting the dark pink. I'm not dark pink.
Jenny, you're so loud.
I'm not getting dark pink. I'm getting this one. I'm getting these three.
Mga siyang. Nice of color ang orange siya.
Yeah, it's so pretty. No, I don't want. I always like light colors. The yellow looks so pretty. Mommy, is this like this purple? That? Do you need to get light pink? I only go home. We can open it right now.
Sa'yo mo siyang.
This is the note.
Pink na lang imo siyang. The pink one. Pink, the pink one siyang. You want the pink one? Yeah.
I don't know. What did I say? Oh, never mind. I saw a pea puppet. Is that one of those things called pea puppet? Pea puppet? I want a pea puppet. Not a puppet. You need a pea puppet, Daddy. So these are the best things.
Ito yung mga dice. Oh. Dominoes atin.
Yeah, dominoes. Look at this. It's a pea puppet. Pea puppet. I'm keeping the pea
Ano siyang na ate?
It's like those things you have to push. Then you put it back. Like that.
Sus, ano lang?
I don't want to pea puppet. How do you put this back? Oh, you don't have to. Wow, I love fidgets. I love fidgets. And what about these dolls? I just want two puppets. Let's see if we can get two puppets. I'm not getting any more.
Si ate, so many man si ate gigit. Oh. Ima siyang that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a glowing. You got a glowing on top. Yes. What did you say? That's dolls for just. No. I don't even like LOLs anymore.
Why? A lot of slime.
Yeah.
Slime squishy.
There's a lot of slime. What is this?
What's that?
I don't know. No squishy. And there's these fans again. Those fans again. Those fans are like. There's lots of slimes. Can I get marbles? Just joking on nuts.
Ito may ng marbles.
But in the book, it's just joking. But one of my friends has slime. So like, if she does not have slime, she like pulls her head. It's Ashley, the one who likes horses. Okay. What is that? Yeah, we're gonna see. What's this?
Together.
Big scissors.
Hawaiian ate.
Hawaiian.
Yeah. Pizza.
Be quiet.
Hawaiian dance.
Be quiet. This is the be quiet.
Ito na.
Big scissors.
Yeah, big scissors
Pulling
siyang.
things again. Like those. I don't know.
Ito na her color.
Cheerleader. Give me an A. Give me I'll be like.
Wala siyang. You're so pretty siyang. Yeah, rag disco ball ate.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm getting it. Oh, one of Mrs. Kidman's class wears one of these. You can. They got cute. And actually, I even buy them. Oh, I remember that one.
Ito na. That's enough natin. Mag-pay na.
Pay? Okay. So we're gonna pay. What up, guys? No candy.
Say mo, Josh. We're going na. Josh. Sleeping lang siya. Ito na. Dahil push na si Joshly.
Remember?
Go.
Yes. I'm only keeping this to Papa. You can keep yours. Okay, but we're still fine. Yeah. I'm just gonna open mine.
Kaman ta din. Dito ka.
This way. Let's walk.
1 hour later.
Guys, we're gonna open our toys, and it's a fidget. Let's go. We bought this from Trevs. You already know that. And it's nearly nighttime. Snip. Open it up. Oh, so we can open it. I can open mine. I'm gonna open this one because it's mine. This puppet one is the square puppet. Oh my god, after trying this puppet, we have to try this. Oh my god, it's just so weird. I'm getting the puppet out. It's just so weird. This one is the loud side, but this one is like the hard side to pop. Like it is like play with the puppet. I'm gonna try the Rubik's Cube. I'll play with this later. I'm trying this. Wait, let me try this. Cut this. This is one of my favorite toys. It's in the. How do I open this? Oh my god. Wait, I'm gonna open this. I need some more. That one is a hard one, Sam. I know. I don't know how to open this. I'm gonna open that. Mom, can you help me? It's like. I didn't know what to play with this. Oh, it's so easy, Sass. Like use that. It's cube. Oh my god, it's so. Then I got to put on the Like. That puppet is mine. Oh, cool. Like.
What you call that one?
I have no idea. I forgot what it's called. It is called Fidget. Fidget puzzle. I call it. I don't know. I don't know what it's called.
Fidget puzzle.
I love this.
What's that, Chang? What color?
Green. This is green and pink.
Light green. It's like yellow, man, Chang.
Yeah, but it's actually like green.
Light yellow.
This side is so hard. This side is like so hard and I fall. I'm actually testing this. Like this feels so hard. This is easy.
How you play that one though?
Like you pop the holes. Like those circle things. It keeps like going back. Cause like it's like it keeps going back. I like the loud sound. It's so satisfying. Why loud sound? This is a true. Can I try your sound? One of my friends has one of this. This is so hard. This looks like a ball. This is a glowing dark. This is a. Hey, that was mine. We're trying. Remember? Oh yeah. I'm tapping this fidget. This jumping. I can do yours.
How about you, Shang? How about you? Go.
Wait, no, excuse me. Oh, this is called the puppet. The puppet. I can do it. I can do all of them. It's fun playing with the elements of satisfying sound. Fun to play with. Oh my god. You popped the other one. I got 3 to pop.
Make it faster. Go. And
but not the you can't even use it. You can't even do that at the hard sound. Only this side because it's much more easier.
how about that one?
Last one, guys. It's my favorite. And don't remind of the top because it's just like that. I'm showing this to my friends. I saw one of these at TikTok, and there was a Rubik's Cube. This is like, I forgot what's this called. I can do it faster with using
Nice lagi natin.
I know. It's like, how about my glow in the dots? It's like a puzzle. How about mine? And this one is like mine. It's so clean. We got 5. That faster. Be faster. We can always pop some trees. Even as a new student in my class. Set the timer. Because I hope I win, guys. That's so easy, Sean. You're like cheating. Does he get cute? I need to do this guy's sidekick. Oh my god. Please stop. I'm making the Fidget cube was a flaw before. What? This is so cute and moving. I'm not even playing it. Guys, look, guys, look. Guys, look. I got mixed up. Yeah. This is the game. They have to be in the right colors. I get it. So the black one is here, and the white one is not there. Because yeah, that's how it does. I got mixed up of the colors. Okay, now pop in. See, I got dark. So I got dark blue, isn't that right? Purple, red, pink, black, light blue, brown, green, orange, yellow, green, pink, red, and purple. I'm gonna like if I do this. Oh my! If I
guys ready?
If I do this, that is not white. Like Because it has to go to the right spot. Like a football. This one's my most favorite one. It's like so cool. It's like a Rubik's Cube. Like boom, try to figure out the right colors. This is what my friend Anne has, one of these. Mom, Anne has one of these. She has a lot of fidgets.
Yeah, and have puppets too, but it's a butterfly one and also a big hot one. Which is
We got 5. Like a square.
We know Trevs. It's so fun.
That's funny.
But put it back inside.
Oh my god.
Oh, that pop up.
My puppets, this puppet's so cool. Just like, if I have like, look, see?
Like that.
They're like. No, because we're gonna see who's gonna pop all of these fastest. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. You go fast.
I have to do another one.
Dili juga mapasya kag isa raman nimo man.
That is all for today. Bye, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this vlog.